Inside Winter Garden's newest neighborhood. Is this the best place to live in Florida? Winter Garden new construction is booming. But what makes these neighborhoods different? Today, we're exploring these communities and what you need to know before you buy here. We're here today at Hovnanian Osprey Ranch community, visiting the different models that they have here. And what's unique is that they have floor plans that are 3 and 4 bedroom, and then you can pick the look that best suits your personality. Not every builder is the same, and not even every community is the same. When evaluating different builders and communities, don't just look at the prices, but look at the incentives that they're offering you, as well as at what stage of the development the community is in. Did they just start building homes, or are they almost done? Where they're at in the process might also affect the different types of incentives that they would offer to you. The homes in this community range in price from the high 400,000s to the low 600,000s. They are sized between 1,500 square feet and almost 2,700 square feet. So if you're looking for a high-end luxury home that's close to Disney World, this could be the place. Now, I wouldn't blame you if you wanted to be in this neighborhood, but don't have that kind of price range. They do typically build townhomes in these new communities, but unfortunately, those have already sold out here in this one. So if you're interested in a townhome or a smaller price point, best to be early to the party when they launch their next community. Here we are at Highlands Ranch, a community by Meritage Homes, and they are specially known for their energy efficiency and temperature control in the homes that they build. But we were a little too late. They only have 6 homes left in this community. So if you are interested in one of their homes, you need to call me right away. Welcome to Silverleaf Reserve. This community, built by Meritage Homes, offers single-family homes, which is what we're standing in now, as well as bungalows starting for as low as $500,000. Be sure to check it out. The Silverleaf community is ideally located right next to the new Horizon West Shopping Center that has everything your family's going to need right nearby. What sets Meritage apart is their commitment to building energy-efficient homes. They use spray foam insulation in all of their attic spaces to provide a better cooling experience for your home and making it more efficient. The other thing that's nice about this location is that you're just a quick 15-minute ride to the front gates of Disney World. The homes here at Silverleaf range from $500,000 to about $550,000 for these different bungalow models, and they have several models to choose from. This community is perfect for an avid golfer because you're just a stone's throw away from Orange County National Golf Course and Complex. There's tournaments out there from time to time, a world-class golfing experience, and if you need it, lessons for everybody in the family. Here we are still in the Silverleaf community, but inside a different builder's product. This home is built by Pulte Homes, which is well known for its quality and craftsmanship. Pulte is just finishing up phase 1 of this community right now, so all of the townhomes and bungalows are already sold. What's left are these larger single-family homes, and they range in price from the low 600,000s to almost $1 million. But Pulte, unlike other builders, lets you customize and upgrade by going into the design center and making the house exactly what you need it to be. You'll be able to get everything you need for your family because everything is so close by. There's a Publix, which is the Florida place to shop, but there's also a Walmart very near to this home, as well as a coming edition Popstro, which is the Tiger Woods inspired version of Putt Dog. While they haven't completed the amenities here yet in this community, they are sure to boast a pool, cabana, dog park, walking trails, green space, and playground, which are going to be a great addition to this community. Don't miss out on your chance to get pre-amenity pricing on the homes that are available here in Silverleaf. If you're thinking about building or buying a new home here in Winter Garden, be sure to give me a call so that we can help you find the right home and the best possible deal.